Hi guys, welcome to Travel with Austin. I'm Austin. Today we are here in Buffalo, New York at the Richardson Olmsted Complex, and we're going to be taking a look at some of the renovations happening here in part of the old Kirkbride building. So this section we are in is the former women's ward, and it is currently under renovation. Now you can actually see that the floors in here have actually been replaced. We have new subfloors in here. And you will also notice the lights on the walls for the construction crews. Now, you also notice a lot of original details still, such as the walls, haven't been painted yet, or anything like that. Now, on the top here, we still have the tin ceilings, and those are actually the reason we are wearing hard hats, because the floor above us had a fire in the 1980s, and they are currently doing most of their work on that floor up there. And while they're doing work there, some of these tiles have been falling down, so we are wearing hard hats just so that they don't fall down on us. Now, you will also notice that there is some signs of the fire reaching the first floor, such as a charred doorway right here, and possibly this black on the wall is like charring from smoke and stuff. Now, currently this area is under renovation. I do believe that this is not going to be an expansion of the hotel that is already in the central wing, but I believe the idea is to make this more of apartments or condos. And now I could be wrong about that. There are multiple plans in place for this Kirkbride, and it is a massive complex. So maybe not necessarily this section is that, but I do believe that is what is planned for this section. Now you can see we still have a lot of the original details in here. Mainly on this floor, what has changed has been the floors themselves. So it was cool to go in here, and you still get to see, the original Kirkbride as it was intended, but there was some new flooring involved, and lots of cleanup done by the renovation crews. So you can see actually in this room that we're in, you can see some of the trash bins. You can see where things have been cleaned up, where they are fixing and replacing the windows. Some are still covered with wood, but some are not. Now, if you've seen the video where we explore the fully abandoned section, you will notice that the floors here are also clean and free of debris, whereas the other side has piles of crumbling stone all around it. But you still get that abandoned feeling in here, because even though they have cleaned up and started to redo the floors, the walls are still original with their peeling paint, and we have the stained glass above the doorways here, and we still have many of the original features. Now you can also see there is some construction equipment in here, such as that lift, and you can see they did a cleanup near the day room area here, which, because this is the women's ward, it does have a fireplace. According to our guides, the men could not be trusted with fireplaces, but the women could be. Now, the women's side also has those arches that you just saw a second ago, which still do have the original pocket doors in there. So I am kind of interested to see, once renovations are complete, what's going to be done with those pocket doors, since if this is a public space, they probably won't want to make them so they can open and close, which currently you can open and close them. Now, taking a look out here on one of the old patient porches, I am actually not sure what the fate of these will be. I do know that in the sections that became the hotel, these were removed, and sadly I do think that is what will probably happen, although they are really cool and they offer a great breeze, especially on a humid day like the day we were in here. Now again, as we walk around, you can see a little bit where we switch from the floors that they put in to the more original floors, and you can also see that the rooms are still original in their original sizes, so they are small patient rooms still. And again, this is a Kirkbride, so we do have a lot of natural light. We have some of those beautiful colors. The women's ward was mostly yellow for some reason, or maybe cream would be a more appropriate name for this color, where the men's ward was that traditional asylum blue-green. Now, as we are getting to the end, we're just going to take a look at the connector corridor. You can see all of the patient room doors in here, currently being stored. I'm not sure what their plans are. And then that wall would have connected to the hotel. Anyway, that is all I have for you guys today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe, and I will see you guys next time with a brand new video.